Another quick non-maths video. I just want to show you guys something really weird. This is our galaxy, the Milky Way. We remember the universe. In the universe, there are billions of galaxies, and this is just one of the. This is our galaxy here. So the sun is somewhere in this galaxy. Remember that there are billions of suns. Or stars in our galaxy. Suns and stars, they're pretty much the same thing. The weird thing is, astronomers, they found that after a period of time, this galaxy would have moved out here. And then this one would have moved out here. And then this one would have moved out here. And then our galaxy, I don't know how they do it, but they managed to work out that all these galaxies, that they're actually moving out here. And then this is all after a period of all this here is after a period of a certain time. So this galaxy, after a certain period of time, it would have moved out here. So here it would have moved out here. And here it would have moved out here, and then here it would move out here, and after another certain amount of time, it would have moved out here, and this galaxy would have moved out here. This one here would go off the screen. This one would have moved out here. This one would go off the screen. This one would move out here, and this one would have moved out here. So what's going on? The astronomers are seeing that all these galaxies, they're all moving away, and then they could actually make predictions that after another certain amount of time, these would move out here, would move further out. So what's going on? Oh, by the way, our galaxy here would actually move out as well. So what's going on? All these galaxies are actually moving away from. Look at this weird thing. They're actually moving away from one central point. So you can see that if after a certain amount of time they've moved out, that means if you go back in time, our galaxy would have been while we are here. If you go back in time, our galaxy would be somewhere here. The thing is that we are all moving away from a certain point, and this point here is what we guess as a Big Bang. I think people, astronomers, they're seeing that all these galaxies are moving away from one certain point. See, all these galaxies are moving away from one certain point, and we think that at one point there must have been some sort of explosion that's sending all these galaxies outwards. So they call this the Big Bang. So if you want to know more about it, you look up the Big Bang. But yeah, the astronomers they notice that all these galaxies are moving outwards. And so they conclude that if you go back in time, then all these galaxies are closer together. So the reason that there must be one certain point in time that they must all converge. They must all come from one single point. And scientists think that it's actually the Big Bang that's causing all these galaxies to expand. Okay.